is Brian and welcome back to my channel. What an entrance, right? Now we have a new dance tutorial for you as I promised. This is hip hop. It's slow, but it's fast, right? Confusing. It's fast because the music is quick. This song is called Act Like Fool by Lil Jon and 3-6 Mafia. It's a remix, alright? So, let's start. Alright guys, let's start from this. It's very easy, but it's very fast. So, we start from close feet together. You're gonna go open 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step your right foot left on the top. Then 10, 7, and 8. Alright, let's try one more time. Here we go. And a 5, a 6, a 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it a little bit slower. 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Next, we're gonna go up on 1, away on 2, 3, and 4. Gonna go side, side, 7, open, and cool. One more time. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's combine first and the second and the 8. Here we go. 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. One more time. This time slow. 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, open. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. On the next one, here we go. Alright, from here, you're gonna go open, step your left to the back, go 1, 2, 3, and close. Alright, your hand, you can do anything. It's freestyle. 6, 7, and 1, 2, close on a 4. Then bend your back, left, right, right. As simple as that. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, close, left, right. Alright. The next one, it's a little bit complicated. So focus on this one. You're gonna go up on 1, 2, 3. Away on 4. Punch on 5. Put your hand on 6. Away on 7. Close on 8. Try again. 7, 5, 6, 7, up. 1, 2, point on 3. Make sure your legs, your left to the front. 3, 4, 5, 6, away on 7, and 8. Alright, let's combine 1, 2, and 38. Are you ready? 5, and a 6, and a 5, and 6, and 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, good. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, close. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, that's 4, 8. Alright? Next, from here, now we go to simple one, super slow. Go 1, 2. This is 2 count, guys. 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go single count. 5 and a 6, 7 and on chest 8. 8. Again. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. So from here, you're gonna contract 1, 2, 3, 4, go 5, 6, 7, 8. While doing that, we're gonna need to move forward. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, up, 5, 6, 7, 8, sorry, 7, 8. Copy, drop on 1. Nod on 2, click on 3. Alright, let's try again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, nod, 3, 4. Then you go back on 5, 6, 7, and then pause. You can do 7, pause on 8. Alright? One more time. We go from here. Chest, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, nod, click, and 5, 6, 7, pause. Let's continue. The next one, the last one. This is the easiest one. You can do anything. Melt 1, 2, 3, 4, then walk 5, 6, 7. Do your most handsome pose. Alright, let's try from the beginning. That's it, guys. Let's try. Only 4 8s. I know, only 6 8s. Alright? Are you ready? Let's start from the beginning. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. I'm sorry. Because someone look at me at the window. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, close. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chest. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, nod, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Pose slowly, slow, and walk. 6, 7, pose. Very good. Good job. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you liked that simple choreography that I made. And please don't forget to subscribe and like all my videos. If you have a suggestion of the songs, please comment, because I'm running out of a song. Alright, so see you soon and God bless. I gotta go. Bye bye. Bye bye.